Tonkadale, we just got an amazing load of plants. I can't even stand it. I'm holding my breath. Check out these carnivorous guys. Woot! So cute. We have the highly anticipated Adenium Desert Rose, 2 sizes, 4-inch and 6-inch. Look at that cute trunk. Then the Aspididra, or cast iron plant. This one's called Milky Way. It's got these really pretty constellations on the leaves. Super easy, low light plant. That's why it's called cast iron. Check it out. We got the Pothos Pearls and Jade back in 2 sizes. Honey, look at you. Some of my favorite plants are the peperomias. This one's called Hope. I have this one in a couple different places at home and I love it. This is a new one for us. It's a caparata type peperomia, but it's called Shumi Red. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, look at that. And then it's got some inflorescence coming. This is lemon lime philodendron. This guy is a little raucous. Has a little mind of its own, but super cute. You could stake it or let it hang. Hold on, I'm going down for some pictures. Scindapsus silver satin, one of my all-time favorites. Look at how gorge. Lots of cuttings in here, lots of potential. We have the variegated euphorbia, super cute. Look at those petals and not too spiny. Ooh, this is an oldie but a goodie. We haven't had this one in a while. It's Alocasia lauterbachyiana. Really cute. It has that dark purple on the back of the leaf. It's petite, but really cute. This is stapelia. It's a cactus with, you can see starfish-shaped flowers in like pinks and yellows and whites. And they're just like low and cute, and they last a really long time. But look at how fuzzy and cute it is. Just love it. Sansevieria cylindrica is back. Love it. This one you could just dip it in some white paint and make some really cute tips. Look at that. Look at the tendrils. Tendrils on that Scindapsus. Gorge. Oh, hi there, Mr. Monstera. Look at the fennies on this guy. Beautiful fenestration. Stingray's back. Stingray, Alocasia. And Alocasia Polly. She's back. Looking good. Look at the back side of the leaf. So interesting. Look at this little agave. How'd you get in here? Little stowaway. Guys, the next one, you're gonna love it. This is the biggest whale fin I've ever seen. Ooh, yeah. It's amazing. A little bit of new growth coming up right there. How'd you get in there? Little 4-inch monstera deliciosa. Can you believe this is going to become this? How cool is that? Is that pretty variegated arbicola? Isn't that cute? Wow. It's a spiralis Peruvian cactus. Isn't it amazing? Isn't that cool? It's groovy. And guess what? Some of them are flowering. They're in the plant shop, so you have to come and visit them. All of our new plant arrivals are available for sale online or in store. See you at Tonkadale.